What's up, guys? Antonio coming again. Hey, look, I just really wanted to give you a quick, not even a review, but I purchased a product so that I can fix my Beats headphones. So there's a common issue where, well, the Beats headphones just break all the time, period. So you end up paying 100 to 300 bucks on these Beats headphones, depending on which ones you got or purchased, and they break. What do you do when they break? Well, you're not going to go out and just buy brand new pairs. If you do, you need to holler at me because I need to see some of your money. But I had an issue. My headphones broke, and I just wanted to show you guys what to do with a broken headband. So, originally, here's my headphones right now. This is after they're fixed. And this, if you look closely, well, first, what happened was like this retracts and everything works all perfectly. It's good. However, this part from here on down would become disconnected. And when it would become disconnected, you could see the inside part here. You'll be able to see the cord come off. So of course you can't see it now because it's in between here. I got it fixed, but this was a very big problem because there was no way I could play it off. When I'm at the gym, I'd have my earphones on, and then one of the earphones would be on my ear perfectly, and then the other one would be like just distorted looking, just slanted. Like there's no way to really play it off. So I had to do some research. And so originally I thought it was my earphone piece itself that needed to be repaired. Well, it wasn't that. And as I looked closer and closer, I realized it was my headband. This whole piece needed to be replaced. And it's because, oops, this is live with my Bart Simpson haircut. Got a mohawk, but it needs to be trimmed. I need to go from Bart Simpson to the real mohawk. So this is how it looks like. This is the good side. And right around here is where this piece goes. So from here on down is the headphone. And the only thing that's keeping this and the head or earpieces together is some screws. Not really too sure. Yeah. So you got these two screws here, right on the corners. And you would unscrew this to detach this from there. Well, I knew this was the issue because I got the two screws here, but I don't have the two screws here. And so essentially, this whole piece broke. Therefore, I wouldn't be able to even attach a perfectly good earpiece detachment on there because I wouldn't be able to screw it to anything. It would just come up and come off, come up and come off. And that's why I had the issues. While I would put these on my head, this side would fit perfectly, and this would just be like hanging out off my ear somewhere, like partially, and it was just jacked up. So what I did, I purchased another headband piece, and I don't have an affiliate link. I wish I did or something so I could make money from it, because I know this is a common issue, but I don't. And so what I'm doing is below I am giving a link to an individual on eBay in which I purchased this from. So that way you can just click on it and order you a new headband piece. After I got this, it came with a set of screws, and it came with a set, or not a set, but just a screwdriver, because you're not going to be able to use the screws in these things. It's too small. These screws are just really too small. So you need a special screwdriver. And he sends that with it. I had a packet of two screws and one screwdriver and a headband piece, and it was for like somewhere between $8 to $14. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but again, like I said, I'm going to put the link below. This saved me a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. Then after realizing that I put this together very quickly and kind of taking apart everything, I couldn't believe that I paid the amount that I paid for the actual headphones themselves, because you realize how easy it is to make, and it's like, man, these really aren't worth $300. So another little tip here. In order to take the headphones off and detach them, all the pieces and everything, my band here is still flowing. That's not supposed to be showing. And that's because there's a little foam piece that originally goes there, and it's held together by glue, so that when you put it on your head, it's nice and comfy. Well, I got the cushion of my hair, so I don't got to worry about any type of foam cushion. But all you got to do is just take it off. Just remove it. It may be stubborn for like the first couple of tugs, but don't be scared. Just take that off. Remove the foam from off the headphones, and then you take screwdrivers and detach everything, and boom, there you have it. You would be able to remove all that, and you'll just have a headband. After you get your new headband, screw everything back together. And I didn't glue mine back because I think I threw away my foam piece, my styrofoam stuff, but you just glue it back, and it's that easy. Now all of a sudden you have your $300 headphones back. So I have the Beats 2.0. I think there's a 3.0 out now, but they're all pretty much the same. So that's it for me. Hopefully you can go out and save tons of money. I didn't really have like a tutorial. I wanted to kind of record it as I was doing it, but I don't know, I can't find my parts right now, and it was kind of tedious. It took me probably about 10 minutes to really completely do the whole ordeal, because I have kind of big hands, and it was hard for me to hold this tiny screwdriver and trying to unscrew everything. So I had some hard times with that, but it was worth it. I mean, 10 minutes and like 12 to 15 bucks. Again, I don't remember how much I paid for the headband, but it was very small compared to what it would cost to take it to have somebody else do it. You know, other people will charge you 60 to 80 bucks to fix this. Technically, you can make your own business doing that. So that's my little small product review, and also my small little tutorial. I'm sorry guys, I didn't really give you a play-by-play snapshot, but I gave you the theory. This is something that I've done, so you can do it too. Comment below if you have any questions on how to fix it. I'm willing to help you guys. I know how expensive these things are, so yeah, give me some questions. Hopefully you like what I'm giving you. Give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my video, to my channel, and check out the rest of my other content. My blog and all that stuff is below. So hope I can help you guys out. We'll get up with y'all.